In this video, we're going to go over how to buy a phone number on Twilio Flex. So the first option, you have to go to your Twilio console. After this, you need to select the Explore Products section on the left-hand side. Here, you must find where the product shows phone numbers. After selecting phone numbers, you will go automatically to your active numbers page. Here, on the upper right hand side, you're going to see the option to select to buy a number. Once you're here, you're going to need to select the country that you want to buy the phone number for. In this example, we're going to use the United States. Automatically, it will show you all the phone numbers available. After this, you can search by zip codes that you may need the phone number for. Also, you can see here that there are capabilities. Please make sure that you select the phone that has the most capabilities to avoid any inconvenience further on. Here you must go to the end of the row and select the buy option. You will see a pop-up that tells you the information of the phone number that you're about to buy. What are the capabilities? You're also going to be able to see what global routing it has been selected for, and you're going to see emergency call enablement. After you go ahead and read all this information, you agree to the terms and conditions for emergency calls, and then you select buy the phone number. Okay. Then it confirms that the phone number has been purchased, okay, and you can go back to the active numbers tab. Now here on your active phone numbers table, you will be able to see the phone number that was just purchased. After this, you can go to Gravity CX and you can import the phone number.